start by finding a way into the building.
We're going in through the parking lot?
No. We're waiting for someone to come out of it.
Forgive me, sweetheart.
Oh! Christ!
What's going on?
Oh, just enjoying a little labor dispute. See, we're about to do something really, really bad. Take us to the FIB building, parking lot entrance.
Let's all work together to make sure it's not just...
Oh! Boulder kills. I'll take bets.
So, you got any idea how we'll do this? Scope it out?
Not really, but I thought we'd start by finding a way into the building.
We're going in through the parking lot?
No. We're waiting for someone to come out of it.
All right. And how's that gonna get us in?
Well, the janitors are all on temp contracts. They get replaced when their backs go or they ask for a day off. So, we find one of these guys, we turn him, and that's our in.
Okay. Is there a particular guy?
I'm in the temp company's database right now. I found a guy about to clock off. I've got this file here. Let me see. Harvey Molina, license plate. Here we are. Let's wait for him.
Some of Benelli's large building contracts will soon be up for grabs.
So what's gonna happen when this guy gets wherever he's going?
He's gonna get his severance package.
I can't tell if that's some creepy euphemism or a plain statement of facts.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Okay.
You got a siren you want to turn on as well?
We'll know it when we fucked up. Hey, you mind? Put away the smartphone or pad or whatever the hell that is for a minute. No surfing while I'm trying to tail this guy.
It's work-related.
Yeah, well, I'd prefer all hands on deck right now, if it's okay with you. God, you're worse than my son.
You want to break into the FIB's West Coast headquarters, you're gonna need more than a janitor's license plate number. And let me work on some angles while you, keep this car behind that one and between these white lines.
That's it. I mean, other than a few missing expletives in terms of racial abuse, that was my son in spades.
I just spoke with Agent Haynes. We've got the budget to pull this off.
Good.
I know it ain't my place, but you're getting a little close to him.
You want to drive? Come on. What do we do when he gets home? What do we need from him?
We need cooperation, and maybe his overalls and an ID.
And if he don't cooperate?
You know what it's like to clean up shit for Steve Haynes? He'll cooperate. He may be the janitor, but he works for the Bureau. Give him some room. He's pulling over. Stop down the road a ways.
You got another one of those, Harvey?
Who are you?
The guy with your best interests at heart. Fill your pockets with money and all you gotta do is take a little vacation.
Hey.
Successful?
Oh yeah.
We gotta go back to my office. That was easy.
Guess you were right. Steve Haynes is a shitty boss.
Hey, I called Frank while you were in there. He's coming to meet us.
Yeah, huh? What do we need him for?
Grunt work. Information gathering.
What information?
The plans to the office. There aren't any digital copies, or if there are, I'm not clever enough to find them. The architect is LS based, so I thought Frank would tail him to take a hard copy.
Sounds complicated. You sure you need these plans?
Yeah, I do. If I'm gonna find a way to bypass a couple of $100 million worth of government security.
Millions? They blew that much?
Government contracts, license to steal.
Wow. We are in the wrong business.
No, we've just taken the wrong contracts. You're a really bad driver! Ah, he's already here.